What's Grandma picking today? What's Grandma picking today? What à? Chặt cái what à? Kêu chặt à? Okay, so we have to pick some of these bean leaves, and they're full of nutrition, and we're gonna Oh, we're gonna use the bean leaves to make congee. Papa says. This is my mom. She's gonna make us some bean leaf congee. So what she's doing is that there's a lot of dense ones that are really close together, and she says to pick the biggest ones so that we can make the congee. Give it dinner. Give it dinner. Okay. See? Beautiful leaf. And she's going to show us how we're going to prepare it to make congee with it. Lots of nutrition and super duper healthy. We're just going to collect a whole bunch of these. I'm helping Papa do these. You want to do these with Papa?
Yeah.
But they're prickly. Look, if you look very, very closely, there are actually little prickles in them. That's why I didn't want you touching these. See? Those ones doesn't have the potato leaves.
No.
Okay, come. Then come. Help. Go up on there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go pick.
This one?
Yeah, those are, you got it. Big ones. Yep. Help Papa pick the big ones. Yeah. Good job. Good helping, dude. Do you like working in the garden?
Uh-huh.
What do you like most about working in the garden?
Planting.
Planting? You don't like harvesting?
No.
This is called harvesting. Yeah, both, right? So we want to make sure the sunlight gets onto
Look
the
at this
flowers.
one.
So we're picking some of these that are dense. Okay.
Look at
And
this
do you know what we're
one.
making with these, Owen?
Yeah.
We're gonna make what? Congee. And do you like eating congee?
Yeah, a little bit.
Why? Why do you like eating congee?
Because it's kind of flavorful, a little bit.
Ah, I see.
But with the hoisin sauce.
All right, you're gonna continue picking?
Yeah, look at this one.
Oh, no, that one is a different one. That is a melon. Okay, that is a pumpkin leaf. We don't want to do that one. We just want to do the bean leaves over here, okay? They're different, right?
Yep.
See, these ones are much bigger. And these ones, the bean leaves, are smaller. Okay, so we're gonna do these. Let me
Did I grow those?
Let me bông Papa ga. Okay, so bông Papa chặt lắm. Okay,
Wow,
go.
quickly. Bye.